वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Good afternoon. We are the students of class 9. Today we are going to talk about parts of speech. It is an important part in English, so we can say that English is totally based on parts of speech. Now, Gulin will explain you about parts of speech.
Parts of speech is a category that describes the role of words plays in a sentence. It includes
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections.
Now Janvi will explain you about nouns and pronouns.
Nouns. Nouns are the words which are used to describe name of a place, animal, thing, person, ideas, etc. Or in short, we can say nouns are naming words. Let's take an example. The zebra is in the jungle. In this sentence, zebra is a noun because it tells us name of an animal, although jungle is also a noun because it tells us name of a place.
I will give you one more example. The train is moving on the track. In this sentence, the word train and track are nouns because it shows the name of a thing.
Pronoun. Pronouns are the words which are used at the place of a noun. For example, these are beautiful flowers. In this sentence, these is a pronoun because it is used at the place of a noun.
Let's take one more example. It is a tree. In this sentence, it is a pronoun because it is used in the place of a noun. Now, Gurleen will explain you about verbs and adverbs.
Verb. Verbs are the words that shows an action. In short, we can say that verbs are action words. Let's take an example. It is raining heavily. In this sentence, raining is a verb as it is showing an action.
Let's take one more example. The zebra is eating the grass. In this sentence, eating is a verb as it is showing an action.
Adverb. Adverbs are the words that qualify the verb. Let's take an example. The plant is growing rapidly. In this sentence, growing is a verb. How it is growing? It is growing rapidly. So rapidly will be the adverb.
Let's take one more example. The driver is driving the train carefully. So, in this sentence, driving is a verb. How the driver is driving? The driver is driving the train carefully. So, carefully will be the adverb.
Adjectives. Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns. For example, it is a beautiful garden. How the garden is? The garden is beautiful. So the word beautiful describes the adjective.
Let me give you one more example. It is a tall tree. How the tree is? It is a tall tree. In this sentence, tall describes the tree. So tall will be the adjective.
Prepositions. Prepositions are words that tells the position of a noun or pronoun. For example, the stones are lying on the ground. In this sentence, on is a preposition because the word on tells the position of a stones.
Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words through which we can join two meaningful sentences or words. For example, it is a tall tree but it is a short tree. In this sentence, but is joining two meaningful sentences, so but will be the conjunction.
We can take one more example. The train is moving slowly because the driver is driving carefully. In this sentence, because is a conjunction as it is joining two meaningful sentences.
Interjections. Interjections are the words through which we can express our feelings like happiness, sadness, crying, etc. For example,
Wow, what an intelligent audience!
in this sentence, wow is showing our excitement towards the audience.
We can take one more example. Hurry, the parts of speech express has arrived. In this sentence, hurry is an interjection.
Thank you. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.